Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Databricks, a powerful unified analytics platform that is transforming how businesses manage and process data. Built on Apache Spark, Databricks enables seamless collaboration between data engineers, data scientists, and analysts. It helps them to process large data sets, build machine learning models, and perform advanced analytics. With integration in major cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, Databricks provides scalable and reliable solutions to accelerate data-driven decision-making. Plus, features like Delta Lake provide reliable data lakes, and collaborative notebooks enable you to work in teams in real time. Databricks enable you to unlock full potential of your data and provide actionable results. Let's see how Databricks can help you to transform your data. In this video, I will explain you about basic components of Databricks and how pipelines work in Databricks. Let's start. First is Workspace. Workspace is a place where all your folders and notebooks are stored, and you can see your notebooks here. Notebook is a place where you write your code and you can execute. You can write your code in Python, SQL, Scala, and R. Second is Catalog. Catalog is a place where you can create separate spaces for your databases and tables. In Catalog, you have schema. Here I have schema DBHR, and then under schema you can create tables. Example, in DBHR I have table employees. Compute. Compute is very important. It is a place where you create cluster, and cluster is a set of virtual machines which run your notebooks. So you can create compute by clicking here, and this is the page where you can adjust the number of worker nodes according to your workload type, and you can add features to your compute. Workflow. Workflow is a place where you can automate tasks. Example, I have created workflow. Here you can schedule task dependencies and see. Like this, the flow goes on. First, this task is executed, and on this successful execution, next task is executed, and so on. And you can also schedule notifications, successful completion or failure of this task. Here, in this notification section, you can add notification on success, failure, or duration warning, whatever destination you want to set. You can add your email address, and these are the destinations to which notifications will be sent. The next feature is data ingestion. Data ingestion is the place where you can load data from multiple sources easily. I will demonstrate basic workflow of pipelines in Databricks. So let's start it. I have a table supermarket sales data in which I have sales data of 3 cities, and in this pipeline I will be performing ETL tasks. Pipeline is nothing but a ETL workflow. ETL is extract, transform, load process in which you extract data from source, and the data in the raw form is unclean. So we clean it and then we process it, and finally we load it into target system. So we can do this easily using Databricks pipeline. Databricks pipeline consists of 3 layers, that is bronze layer, silver layer, and gold layer. Bronze layer is the layer from in which we ingest data from our source. The ingested data is in its raw form, it is unclean, it may contain duplicates. And then in silver layer we process it, we add new columns, we remove unwanted columns and the transformations which we want to perform on our columns. And finally we enter into gold layer, where we perform aggregations and we actually extract the insight from our data in this layer. So let me demonstrate it. I have this pipeline, and here is my notebook associated with the pipeline. Let me explain you the code as well. Here I have ingested data from my S3 bucket, and then I have stored it into bronze layer. Then in silver layer I have performed few transformations and cleaning, and then I have made 3 gold tables according to my requirement. So I want to obtain sum of sales in each month from the raw data. So I have made a table which will contain sum of sales in each month. And this one more thing I want to obtain was common product lines purchased in each city. So another gold table contains this data. And third gold table is about customer type influence on spending across different branches. How different type of customer spend in different branches, that is different cities. Okay, so let me demonstrate this pipeline. Here I have a graph
which is the visualization of basic pipeline workflow. Let me start it again so that you can see how the pipeline is started and you can visualize it. It will take some time to initialize and set up tables. Let's wait for a few minutes. We are almost done. See, the data is coming from S3 bucket as it is streaming data. You can see the progress bar here, and then it is in silver layer where it is being cleaned and transformed, and you can see the number of rows here, 2k. And as we filter the data, number of rows decreases accordingly. If we want to drop few rows, then we can drop in silver layer as well. And then finally, you can see in gold layer we have filtered data according to our requirement, and you can see from 2.5k we have obtained 3 rows in this, 6 rows in this, and 13 rows in this. You can see the number of records written here. So this is finally a filtered data, and you can also see the error messages, if any, here in event log, and warnings if there are in your event log. So this helps you in debugging your code, and it makes very easy to visualize your pipeline workflow. There are many more interesting features about Databricks. The automation task using workflows, we will be reviewing it in upcoming videos. So hope you like this video. It may be helpful for you, and stay tuned. We will be conveying more information to you. Thank you.